Hey miners, welcome to our channel Techno Savior. So today while doing some research, I stumbled across this site called the Octominer. So before I brief you about Octominer, let me tell you that neither I am an affiliate of Octominer nor I have bought any products from this site. So the points which I am going to cover today is as per my understanding. So I request you, before you invest any amount, kindly do your own research. Now to start with, you have to quickly get into the website called octominer.com. The site is all about the hardware and the accessories which are required for mining purpose. And as you can see here, it provides 1 year of warranty and 5% discount on all the orders paid with crypto. Now there is one more point that they have mentioned, that they do not accept PayPal anymore due to them not supporting the crypto related business. Now coming into the main attractive point of this website, that is this motherboard. Well, I found this motherboard very useful. So guys, as you can see, the specification of the motherboard is clearly mentioned here. It has 8 PCIe slots, which means it can have 8 graphics card altogether. And even it has mentioned like what all graphics card it supports. It seems it supports all the latest graphics card from NVIDIA and AMD. And it has inbuilt 6th generation processor with a CPU cooler integrated on the board. It supports a DDR4 memory as well, but it's not the normal memory. It supports laptop memory, which is up to 8 GB. Now if I go down further, okay, 1 second, let's just click onto this. Now you can see it has 8 slots for graphics card to be installed into this. Here they have the processor with a small cooling fan. So I felt this motherboard was very cool enough to use. So let's get into the shop and see what all items they have. Okay, so they have all these items, but let me show you the ones which I felt really cool. So yeah, so you can see this is the mining casing. So now as you can see here, there are few fans attached here, and also they have a handle. So after the setup has been completed, it is very portable for you to move from one place to another. Okay, let's go to other views. So here in this image, they have shown the internal view of the casing. So here are the few fans on both the sides, you can see it. And then as earlier I had shown you about the motherboard, it sets well over here. So I will take you through a video to show you how it seems to be after the graphics card has been put inside this casing. So for that, I'll just go to home. So if we come down, I'll just play this video in full screen and show you. Okay, so let me just pause and show you. So as you can see, these are the 4 fans which were already there in the casing, and here they have assembled the SMPS, and here is the main part, that is the motherboard along with the graphics card. So guys, now what I have done is, if you want to have a mining rig like the Octominer, then I have put all the components which are required to have a proper setup. So I'll just run you through all the components. So firstly, you need a PSU, SSD card, a DDR4 RAM, and a motherboard, and at the end a chassis. So guys, the total amount will be of around $837, but this is only the base setup of a mining rig. I have not mentioned the graphics card cost over here because that again depends upon you. So this is a bit costly, I feel, but guys, I felt this mining rig setup to be a bit fancy, stylish and portable. So before you invest this much of amount, I repeat myself that please do a proper investigation from your side and then go spend the amount. So I felt this website to be a bit useful. So guys, this was all about Octominer. So do let me know in the comment section below, like if you have already purchased something from Octominer or you are planning to buy. So do share your experience regarding this. So if you felt this was informative, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Techno Savior. Thank you and happy mining.